everyone. There's Callie. There's Josh. Haley, no one cares about her. We're in South Africa.
We're here.
We're here.
We're doing it.
Table Mountain back there. We got ice creams. We just did our social psychology.
You're about to walk into a chess game.
Oh. I'm actually still blind. We are celebrating with delicious hand-dipped ice cream. Well, this one didn't get hand-dipped because I also got shit on by a bird.
It was really funny.
It was terrifying, but a South person walked by and their mom was like, "That's great luck." And I was like, no, I just got pooped on by a bird. Anyways, we're going back to the ship because this one has a field lab.
Sad.
She has to go learn. And we spent like 2 hours.
Oh, this is the site of the bird poop right here. Right here.
Right here. Reenactment. I was standing by that thing right there. And it was like, hit me in my shoulder. Got me in my hat. It was a rough time. There's, oh wait, can we see Table Mountain? Kind of back there. Anyways, what was your experience so far in South Africa? How you feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling really positive now that we got social out of the way.
This one back here, Josh still has to be blind for one more. Gotta be blind. Anyways.
Gets you every time.
Gets you every time, Going over a bridge. Life is good. It's beautiful. There's seals. Seals right there. But more importantly, ice cream. This place is really dope. Reminds me of San Francisco. Oh wow, there's so many seals. We're in Africa, people. South Africa, here we go. Let's do this! For the vlog. Go, 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 go! Amy's getting tatted. What are your thought process?
Hi, everyone. This is a daily sequence. Isabel taking over. Today was rough. I'm tired. Climbed Tabletop Mountain. There was a giant windstorm, so they turned off the cable cars, which was my resource down the hill. That didn't happen, so I had to climb down, hurt my knee. My knee's okay. Put some Tiger Balm on it. That's
Sponsored by Tiger Balm.
Buy Tiger Balm.
Follow at Izzy Potts on Instagram and get Tiger Balm.
Yeah, so my knee hurts, was icing it, and then we started chit-chatting. Tomorrow's possibly sharks if it's not too windy. Yeah, let's hope I don't get killed by some sharks.
If she does, then I have a nice big room to myself.
No.
Okay, it'll be fun.
Yeah. But yeah, that's tomorrow. I'm excited. South Africa's pretty cool. Sucks that like my knee hurts though. Can barely walk. Oh well.
We're gonna amputate it.
Okay.
Chill day.
Yeah.
Chill day in room 4018.
Yeah, a one-legged person.
A baldy and a one-legged kid.
Yeah.
Also today someone asked me if I had cancer and I was just like, no.
No, I do not have cancer.
And it was something else, but
yeah. So today's pretty cool. I like South Africa. I ate the best burger ever. So let me tell you.
So good.
It was like a burger, but it had like the barbecue sauce on it.
Ooh.
Famous, like, whatever. Then I had some cheese. I had some lettuce tomato, of course. Some cheese, some bacon, but some of, like, not real bacon, like real bacon. Not like that, like, bacon that we, like, see in commercials. Like that real, like, kind of thin bacon.
Real bacon.
And then an egg. And then a bun. And it was, like, so
My
good.
Lanta. Where'd you get that at?
Mug and Bean or something. It was at, like, by the mall, by the waterfront. It was so good. And then I got, like, this milkshake, and it was And then I decided to hike for 6 hours with that in my tummy.
Ooh.
Not the best decision.
No regrets?
Regrets.
Regrets.
Regrets. I hurt my knee, so there has to be some regrets.
Yeah, that sucks.
Other than that, all is chill in the hood.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah.
Besides your knee, that makes me sad.
Thanks. I'm so tired. I got some sun, a little flush burnt, but that's okay. And yeah.
We'll make it out alive.
Mm-hmm.
Possibly skydiving last day together.
Yes!
Woo!
We need to do that. We
We'll
have
see.
to do that.
We'll see. Anyways.
Sick of people. Want to hang out.
With me. Also, hashtag we're friends on Snapchat.
Yes.
If you add me back.
Well, I literally tried loading
Add
it.
me back right now.
I am. I looked already and it won't like load.
You're missing out on my Instagram. Why do I keep saying Instagram? My Snapchat.
Your Snapchat.
However, I did get a SIM card and I've been blowing up my Instagram. Follow me at Rihanna Peters.
No, Wizzy Facts.
Also follow my my photography page at RCP Photography. Thanks,
you got
peeps.
2?
Oh yeah, I'm a professional photography page. Oh. Anyways, that's my life. That's Isabel's life. Remember at Izzy Potts.
By Tiger Bomb.
And by Tiger Bomb. Tiger Bomb, please send her some free samples of Tiger Bomb. She will product place the shit out of your product. It'll be amazing. All right, later, peeps.
Bye.
I'm gonna zoom in on your face.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
As I burp.